Hi, good morning once again. On Monday, I'm before you now to give you some more root words. So before starting the all, I want to pay thanks to those all who have appreciated me, and some of them are Tausif Hasmi, Bikram, Pooja Priya, Krishna Singh, Adhesh Kumar, Rakesh Singh, Mayank G, Deepak Jha, Murari Kumar, RD Chemistry, Manoj Gupta, Bikram Singh, Tarkeshwar Jha, Dharmanand Jha, Sumit Oza, Anamika Vats, Devanshi Singh, and many more friends who have appreciated me. I pay them thanks. Please keep watching and give me precious suggestions if any. Now come to the board, we should come here. So now root words are coming, loka or lokat. So this is of Latin origin, loka or locatum. Original words meaning speak. Words are coming like loquacious. Loquacious means talkative. Colloquial. Colloquial. Local. You see the word is coming. So this will help you in getting this word. Colloquial. Elocution. The word elocution. Eloquent. Eloquent, the word you can form. One word is coming. Interlocutor. L-O-C-U-T-O-R. Interlocutor. Like India doesn't want any interlocutor between India and China to resolve the problem. 32. Matter. This can also be written in this way, of Latin origin, very simple. Actually, earlier the word mother was known to this. I mean, mother has come out of this. Matter or M-A-T-R-I-S. Matter is mother. Meaning is mother, like matrimony, maternal, like maternal uncle, matron. Now meet or miss. This is of Latin origin. Mito or missum. Mito or missum. Send or let go. Meaning in English, send or let go. Like mission, missile, admit, meet, admit. We may collect some more words like commit, omit, and many such words. move or mort. Root. Sometimes MOV is also written, like mobio or motum. Move meaning is move. Like if you come to know about movie, motion, motor, mobile, so these words have come out of it. Mobile. But if prefix is added, I'll also give you these all later on after 2 classes, like automobile, the sound will be changed, automobile. Emotion, promotion, and many such words. (35) NOV, now of Latin origin, like novus, new, meaning new, like novelty, 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 novice, renovation, renovation. Now what is coming as matter we study, so now we see here pattern. So this will help us to come to know about words easily, like pater or patris. Pater, for father, this is paternal. You see here paternal property. Patriotic, like now pit, pace or paris, original word. Foot, this is foot, like pedestal, pedestrian, pedal, like what is coming, pale or pulse. Many friends, many viewers might have heard or seen this word many times, but most of you don't know meaning of these words. Like you might have heard pulse, polio. So this pulse means drive out. Original word. Or palsum, failure or palsum, drive or push, drive or push. When we study repulsive, expulsive, the words are related to this. Like pulsate. Government wants to pulsate this disease. Compel, pulse, P-U-L-S, L-S. Pulse, pulsate, pulsate, compel, expulsion, like compel, expel, or expulsion, expulsion, expulsive, repulsive, and many such words. Now, fill or filler. This is Greek word. Like fillers. Meaning loving. So we may write philosophy, philanthropist. So philanthropist, philanthropist. Philanthropist. Now port, very simple, you see here, port, which can be carried easily. The word is port. Many words we use related to this, like posto, original word, carry, meaning is carry. Like you see here, this is portal. Portable can be easily carried from one place to another place. Portable. Export, report, support, and many such words. And last for today, queer, quest, Q-U-E-S-T, quest, or quidit, Q-U-I-S-I-T, like a requisite of Latin word, you see, Q-U-A-E-R-O, like quero. Q-U-A-E-S-T-U-M, question, quasi, S-I-T-U-M. This is original word, quesitum. It means seek or ask. Meaning is seek or ask. So we frame what? Question or conquest, requisite, inquisitive, acquire. So many words. Requisitive. Q-U-I-S-I-T-I, requisitive. Inquisitive, requisitive. So many actually such words, etc. can be formed. So the roots I hope will surely help you in finding out the meaning of the words. Such many roots I am having, I'll bring you in 3 or 4 more classes. Till then, wish you all the best. Thank you for watching me.